8 by 8 chipboard, a 3 mm chipboard. That's just normal what is available. You have to place your stencil here all over. You can take any motif stencil and take your, I'm using right now texture shaping gel. You can use modeling paste, texture paste, anything is fine. And you have to just apply like a butter. This is a decollage paper by iCraft. It's like, you know, handmade paper. For this paper, what we have done is we have sprayed the entire paper with the Ranger spray, and something look like, you know, the spray has to be uneven all over. It should not be even. After doing spray, we have used stamp, any script stamp you can use, or any background stamps you can use, and I've stamped it with the archival ink, the black archival ink. After stamping, then I've kept my paper ready, and then that I've kept it in my die cut machine. This is iCraft die. We have cut into the die cutting machine this paper, and once you cut, then we will just start making the rows from these. I will just start showing you the embossing part of it. Okay, these are the already student work going on. You can take any one paper, use from the back side, take a tool, it's just around it, roll it around and center it. You have to lift from out to in the center. That gives you proper embossing look. Once you're done, to the front we will do this thing. Rose, I'm taking 2 big petals, and immediately next size is 3 petals. All I will be doing is I will prick them first. The first size I will use my rose bud. कृति मेरे को बड़ा स्टाइरोफोम देगी क्या? कट कर. Take your styrofoam bud. Styrofoam bud has to be as per your petal size, a little smaller than your petal, not too small. First I'm putting my glue on the entire petal, and I'm making it like a bird. This way, I'm making it pointed tip. This is very important to get the pointed tip. Then I'm taking second one, and this also I'm covering and I'm making it a pointed tip. And third one, just covering, not trying to do the bird right now. Cover it like this. The first petal will be almost a closed ones, like this. The second I will take the similar way. That will also be a reversed. Now between these two I will get this one. And I will make it a closed one only. This way. कृति मेरे को ट्वीज़र दे बेटा. ट्वीज़र वो फ्लावर, ये वाला ट्वीज़र स्टील का रहेगा ट्विस्ट करने के लिए. as it's rose, so थोड़ा बहुत trigging दे सकते हैं हम. Do not give uniformly, just give it randomly.
Okay.
Can just give this kind of rosebud effect. I'm not doing both the side, randomly I'm doing it. Then I will take the same petal again, but now this time, earlier I have taken like this, the white was on the top. Now I'm taking reverse.
Okay, now you want white outside.
Yeah, now I need this way. Now between two I will take my petal, but I will just put the glue till half only. Like this. Even you can stop here if you want the medium flower. Okay. Now I'm starting with the one size up. That's a bigger petal. A script stand igraph no. I think Joycraft નું છે કે કેઝે ક્રાફ્ટ છે. I don't know. લગભગ કેઝર છે. Okay. Again I'm taking the one bigger. Now I want my rose to be open, not the closed one. So I'm just putting the glue at the bottom.
So how many we have put in one row?
5. 3 medium, 3 small and 2 bigger. Total 5 petals.
Small one is smallest नहीं ना?
नहीं, not that way. Just small means जो बड़ा होता है ना उससे just one size small.
Okay, so ये वाला.
हाँ, small doesn't mean you have to take the smallest petal from your this. This is how your rose will look like.
Three small and three.
We have done the stenciling, and then on that we have used the dark brown Stewart brown chalk paint. Just totally here we have done brick stencil, and here we have done the motif stencil with the texture gel, and then on that we have used dark brown chalk paint. Now I'll be using white thinner or green thinner. Now I'll be doing dry brushing on it, and with that this was a wooden embellishment again with the eye craft. There we have done the like grey color, and on the base we have done the white dark brown color. On the base, before coloring, we have used a texture paste with the finger. Just on all the strips we have used the texture paste with the finger, and on that after drying we have done the grey color. So now we will be doing dry brushing to this. I'm taking first as a green color. You have to use your flat brush. Just remove the extra this thing, and just somewhere you have to do it. It's a very dark color, so until we will not use white, it won't be able to see. Like you won't be able to see. And then I'm using white. Just remove the extra paint, and whenever you start with the white, you have to start from the edge. You can just paint like this. The all motif will start standing out. This way. Once you're done, you have to do all over. Once you're done on this area, you can take some stencil, which little integrate design. Take your dry brush, remove extra color. and randomly you have to do it, and you have to just get this texture. This is how you have to do it all over. Once you're done, this is the gliding gel what we are launching. Take a gliding gel in your finger, very little, and just somewhere on the texture, and just use like this. Just use it on a little more. This one. This is what we have done ready with the gold gliding gel and stenciling and chalk paint. Now I'm using this door I've kept ready with the chalk paint and all. I'm just placing this thing here. Yes, I want to stick up. And now here I'm taking some grass. This is a dry grass. You can just use it here. Just randomly I'm spreading here. અહીંયા જ છે ને સામે. હા ઉપર જ છે. Blue stick. Okay. And now my these roses are ready. I will just place them. The leaves are on them. Just club this some white ready flowers. Then bomb it over it. Just place them here. I will add some green leaves with that. And this one I can just place it somewhere here. And these are something which I've just done with the wire twisting, the normal floral wire. You can just place like this and give some nice, and let this thing fall on the door also. This way. You can stick all these things with the glue gun. I'm just doing the placement. And this is how you can just get ready with your base.